3. 3 for 3. 3 for 3. Who's 3 for 3?
Yeah. We need a restaurant at this point. Forget it.
Nah, real talk.
No, forget it. We need a restaurant.
Yeah.
We need a restaurant.
We 3 for 3.
Because y'all.
We 3 for 3, y'all. Look. It's cold out here. We freezing. We finna get through with these egg rolls. We out.
We out.
Oh, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. This is Outdoor Cooking with the Harrises, and we out.
Peace.
Peace.